Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kushi and you are watching Kushi Not Only Makeup. In today's video, I am going to talk everything about this chicken curry dress cum kurti. So I am going to style this kurti with multiple accessories, multiple things from which you can get an idea of how to style your chicken curry outfits. So the first product which I have to show you is this amazing chicken curry dress, which is also a form of kurta. If you wear it with your palazzos or your leggings or your bottoms, it can instantly become a kurti. So beautiful things coming up all your way. Keep watching the video till the end. The next product which I have got to show you is this amazing pair of pearl earrings. You must have seen this all over the internet for quite some time, but this is the first time I invested in these earrings. I am wearing one and I am showing you one. I am in love with this because this one is so intricately designed, such beautiful embroidery work. There is a patch behind, there's a cloth patch, so everything has been stitched on this. You can invest in if you really want to add that oomph factor into your outfit. This can be styled with any color outfit because this one is white, pearly, and white and pearls literally make the entire outfit so elegant, so dainty, isn't it? Moving on to the next piece. Next piece is this beautiful, elegant shell neck piece with the silver artifact here, and this one is extendable like so. So you can extend it as per your size, as per your liking, and you can get it done. It is such a beautiful number. What do you guys think? I am in love. So this is how it looks with this outfit. It is fabulously suiting it so well. To complete this entire outfit, I have taken this beautiful clutch. This one is from the brand called Lavi, and you all know Lavi, right? It is class apart. The moment I saw the clutch and I was like, ooh, I have to get this one, and this was beyond my expectations. I did not expect it to be this good. It comes with this sling part. You can sling it, or at the same time you can use it as a clutch. It locks like this, and it's such an elegant piece. It can match any of your outfit because look at it. It is grey, gold, brown, silver, everything in one. It cannot go wrong with any of your outfit. It is such a must have, and it is going on amazing discounts. You can definitely go and check this out because this one is not gonna disappoint you, and this one is going to fetch you a lot of compliments, believe me. Alright, so this is the next piece, as you must have guessed. This is a beautiful Fulkari dupatta available in a lot of colors on Amazon. You can go check it out and buy as per your liking. This one suits this outfit so beautifully. It is a neonish yellow along with pink, purple, green, blue with this beautiful work going on all over the dupatta. It's so pretty, so beautiful. I think you should go ahead and try match chicken curry with Fulkari. It's going to be a fabulous combination with the right accessories. For this amazing neck piece, I do have these amazing shell earrings as well. You can pair it up and this can look like a set. I love it, and see how beautifully it matches this. It's as if it's meant to be together. And I can easily pair and complete the entire look with shell bangles, and I'm good to go. If you don't have shell bangles, you can also wear it with some silver bangles, and it is so good to go. Moving on to the next item. But if you're wearing a dupatta like this, you can carry a clutch like this as well. This one is also in yellow and it looks so freaking awesome. This can also be made into a sling like so, and you are just good to go, and you're going to rock the look. Each piece adding up to the kurti, to the dress, is making it look stand out in the crowd. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Moving on to the next look. Alright, so the next important thing which you need with a chicken curry kurti is chicken curry palazzo. So I have two types because this kurti is cream in color. I have the first one in cream, which is an overall chikankari kind of a design, thread work, embroidery. It is beautiful, matches so well with this one. Just see the color combination. I have bought both of these separately from Amazon, and this matches this kurti, this dress so beautifully that I can't just tell that it is not from a single set. Beautiful. Alright, so the next piece, if you have a white chikankari kurti, so you can get something like this from Amazon. This one has embroidery at the base. For all the straight cut kurtis which has slit from the side, this one will match beautifully. It is strictly white and it is so beautiful. I love both of these with my different looks which I want to create. Alright, so the next accessory is this mirror set. This is a long mirror necklace along with these mirror earrings. It is such a fabulous combination with the chikankari outfit. It's needless to say, mirror and chikankari go hand in hand, and it cannot be a better combination if you combine mirror work accessories with your chikankari outfits. It is a match made in heaven and you just can't go wrong with it. What do you think of this beautiful, affordable set? Let me know in the comments. And with that, I'm going to add a beautiful katha stitch dupatta. So this one again is a plain white look. On that I have added color with this katha stitch dupatta. This is a speciality of Bengal craftsmen, and since I am from Bengal, I would love to promote their work on Amazon. So you can buy a katha stitch dupatta just like this one. There are numerous designs available, and this one is one of my favorites to style with multiple color of solid kurtis. Multicolors are that very versatile that you can combine and make a lot of new looks just like I did here. Moving on to the next item which I'm going to complete this look with. It is this clutch, again a embroidery style, a clutch cum sling bag. This is also a unique one because it has this mirror kind of work which is perfect to match with this mirror set. It falls in place with this katha stitch dupatta as if it is meant to be together. See, it is just out of my belief because this one is matching the whole outfit so well. I'm so happy that I could create this look because all these pieces are bought separately from Amazon, and this creates a different look altogether. I love it. What do you have to say? Let me know in the comments so far which has been your favorite look from the video, and I'm going to show you another look. Hang on, keep. Alright, so this is the final look of the video. This is a little different because I have accessorized it with this beautiful Hasli set or the Shai Grams silver jewelry, and it is a beautiful set in a Hasli form with these beautiful lotus style earrings, and I am pairing it up with this beautiful gajra. I have casually tied up my hair like this. You can make numerous different bun hairstyles and create your own look, but I love the way it has turned out with the gajra, the fake gajra, which looks so much like real gajra. They have also added some artificial perfume over it to make you feel that yes, you are wearing the real gajra. It is a beautiful concept. I am also adding this beautiful belt with the outfit. This is a white belt. This is how it will look like. You can pair it with any of your dresses. It is this buckle style and it has no openings or no holes. It is just to be adjusted according to your waist size, and you just have to wrap it around like this, and your dress, your kurti has a definition now and it looks so much more in shape. With that, we are at the end of the video. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did showing you everything around in this video, and I totally love my chikankari outfit. Chikankari styling is my favorite thing to do. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel for more such videos coming up every week. Every Friday I upload a new video. You can watch all the previous videos if you feel like, and please follow me on Instagram for my daily life updates. I will see you in the next video super soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.